Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a clear scale. Pick 1, 50 or 1, 100 to match paper or screen. Once chosen, convert a few key real dimensions to scaled values so you can check accuracy as you draw. Make sure to set units in your CAD or Sketch app, or calibrate your architectural scale ruler if drawing by hand. This prevents rework. You will now transfer wall and opening dimensions using those scaled numbers to establish a reliable floor plan baseline. You now draft walls precisely. Draw the outer shell first, snapping or measuring to the scaled lengths you prepared. Once done, place openings, doors, and windows, measuring clearances so swing and furniture fit correctly. This avoids conflicts later. Make sure to dimension critical spans in scaled numbers, not real-world values, and add a visible scale bar and north arrow for reference. If using layers, separate walls, fixtures, and notes so adjustments don't corrupt other elements during detailing. You finish by validating. Measure 3 random features on the plan and convert back to real size to confirm the scale factor held throughout. Then set export or print settings so the plan prints at 1 with the scale bar intact. This guarantees anyone reading the sheet interprets dimensions correctly. If something seems off, check unit settings and layer visibility, then verify the applied scale factor. Resolving a unit mismatch is the most common fix before final delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.